Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to make your Word files available offline in Dropbox, an updated, simple way to access your important documents even when you don't have internet. Whether you're traveling in a low-signal area or just want quick access without waiting for files to load, this is a handy trick to know. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you don't have it already, just download it from your App Store and log in. Once you're in, look for the Files tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. This tab is essentially the heart of your Dropbox storage, where all your documents, photos, and other files live. Now, scroll through your files or use the search bar to find the Word document you want to have offline. When you spot it, look to the right side of the file name. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Tap on those dots. This brings up a small menu with several options. In that menu, look for the option that says Make Available Offline. Next to it, there's a toggle switch. Simply tap to turn this switch on. Once activated, Dropbox will download the Word file directly to your phone, allowing you to open and edit it anytime without any internet connection. It's as straightforward as that. When you go offline, the file will still appear in your Dropbox app, ready to use. Any changes you make to the document while offline will upload automatically the next time you connect to the internet, keeping your files synced and up to date. If later you decide that you no longer need offline access to that file, just follow the same steps to toggle the option off. This frees up space on your device by removing the downloaded copy, while your file remains safely stored in the cloud. Using this feature is a great way to stay productive on the go. Whether you have meetings, classes, or projects planned in areas with spotty Wi-Fi, your Word documents are just a tap away. Thanks for joining in today.